Data here. Welcome to my vlog, and this is Project Escape. Well, it's now 26 degrees out, and if you can hear in the background the skipping noise within the motor is making. Been good for a month or two, being so cold, but now that coil, I think that coil has completely failed. I think there's a primary and a secondary part of that coil, and when they both go, now you've got a dead coil. So unfortunately, that's where I stand right now. It's the 15th of January 2018, and it is 26 degrees out right now. Hear that bog down sound. Means I'm only running on 5 cylinders. You got a bad coil. So the next, with the stumbling. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Stumbling. With the stumbling, the next indication I should get is a check engine light. That's going to tell me which coil is bad. And there it is. There it is. There's the check engine light. Now whether it stays on permanently or not, I don't know. But it's definitely telling me that it's stumbling. All right, well, 27 degrees. We're way down below the 40 mark where for about a week or so the Escape was running fine. Now we're down at 27, and now she's started to really act up again. This is the examples of what's gonna happen when you get a bad coil, and you're also gonna get a blinking check engine light, and then you're gonna get a steady check engine light. Now you can hear that rumbling, and I got a check engine light. The rumbling noise, and sometimes the coil kicks in. Sometimes it don't. You go around long steady, and then it's going to hesitate. I've got a check engine light right now, not a steady one, and it just went into high gear, and now it's just rumbling. And now, when I step down on it, it'll change back to low gear. As you can see, I still got a check engine light. We're running on 1 cylinder. Now I'll have to look and see if the flashing check engine light, there it goes again. It's not steady. You're gonna have to, I'll put the reader on it and see if it's actually showing me a code. But I got a check engine light. And she's stumbling pretty badly. So we'll put the reader on it and see what happens. As you can hear, it's still stumbling as I'm pulling into the garage. We're going to put the reader on it. Now, I don't have a check engine light now for some reason, but it's still stumbling. It's also going to drag your RPMs down a little bit too. So, but let's see what the reader says here in a second. All right, let's get an idea here of what we got going. There we go. Yeah, link. I ain't got the turn the key on. Right now I've just got a blinking check engine light. It hasn't stayed on for any length of time. So let's go to read mode. Let's see what she says. Codes. Go down. Cylinder number 3 misfire. Right off the bat. And that's it. 101, so that's it. Number 3 is still screwing up. Unfortunately, like you've been watching my videos, to get to number 3, to get to number 1, 2, and 3, you've got to pull your intake off of it. So there we go. Unfortunately now, even in sub-zero conditions, the coil is now failing. I knew it could only last so long. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and like. And we'll catch you on the next Project Escape. And I'll be changing the coil. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and like. And we'll catch you on the next Project Escape.